Alcatraz, the most infamous island in the world. We invite you to explore its multi-layered history. You'll walk in the footsteps of America's most dangerous criminals and the men who guarded them. Hear their voices and experience their daily lives when you tour the federal penitentiary. Although it's known as The Rock, you'll be amazed at the island's natural beauty. Discover the secrets of its historic gardens. And keep an eye out for abundant bird life. But also, be on the lookout for the remains of a Civil War fort. A 19th century stronghold that protected San Francisco Bay from potential invaders. And even after the notorious penitentiary closed, Alcatraz continued to make history. In 1969, in a bid for political recognition, American Indians claimed Alcatraz. Look at the signs of their occupation. Alcatraz. It's so much more than just a prison. The National Park Service welcomes you to Alcatraz Island. As we approach Alcatraz, please note this important information about your time on the island today. Activities on Alcatraz include ranger-led programs, docent and volunteer-guided walks, a self-guiding trail, an orientation video, Native American occupation videos, and a recorded cell house tour. You will find directions to these activities at the dock and on your information flyer. Smoking, eating, and drinking are allowed only at the dock. Bottled water is allowed on the rest of the island and is available for purchase on the boat and on Alcatraz. Food service is available only on the ferry. Please be aware that there are dangers on Alcatraz, including uneven walking surfaces, steep hills, and hazardous closed areas. Entry into closed areas is a violation of federal law. It's important to note that to reach parts of the island and the cell house on foot, you will encounter steep grades and a distance equivalent to a 13-story climb. If you are unable to make this walk due to health reasons, an accessible tram called Seat is available to assist you. Because seating is very limited, space on the tram is reserved for people with health conditions. Seat is boarded on a first-come, first-served basis, with wheelchair users boarded first. Boats leave Alcatraz approximately